What do you learn in your life at late or after lost something or happened? Share with me like this type of advice or life tips. I'll share 10 things people learn too late in life. 1. If you always think about problems, you'll find more problems. If you think about solutions, you'll find more chances. 2. Even if something hurts now, one day you'll see it made you stronger. 3. People come into your life for a reason. Either they help you or you help them. 4. Don't take things too personally. People think about themselves more than they think about you. 5. Everyone sees the world in their own way, and it won't always match your view. 6. Rely on yourself so you don't get disappointed. 7. You grow when you fix your mistakes instead of blaming others. 8. To love yourself, you must accept everything that made you who you are. 9. If you want something, just ask for it. 10. Don't be scared to try new things. Hope this helps. If you like, you can share this file.